Welcome back. And as you know, we have kept this build for a few days, today waiting for welding on the fenders. I am very excited to get back to work on the Ford Fusion, which we need in this way could just continue rebuilding it. I actually believe some of them, we have tons of awesome parts, and that's just exciting because now we can just... Oh yes I am, but wait for welding. Because I believe maybe we can do it. Then I can't believe it. So I think so. Wait for better effect. The lamp with the front mount is broken, plastic welding is needed. We will see if plastic welding will be successful. Both of you keep your fingers crossed so as not to spoil your mount. But there is glass and plastic is good and nothing I see has broken. And the cable for the lamp will be fine. I think it has lead, but I don't know if it is lead and it is not known. Wait, when he finished every... I've just finished. I'm added the P150, and now then the putty undercoat so that it is exactly on the sheet so as not to hurt the sheet. If there is no harm, I can get another acrylic primer. And use paper and veneered with 3M or Norton tape. And with so much work on the Ford Fusion, it probably ended everything. But such a long time. I know I have a lot of other jobs, sorry. I had to make a sentence after work. I am waiting for the order of the base varnish, but no more liters are known, because you need the most accurate varnish.